Hiya, I'm Maureen from Premier Wine Training, and I've just finished off a one-day wine tasting here at the Radisson Hotel. We've had a great day. It's been a long day, but it's been a really good fun day, and I've got great feedback from people who've just left. So I thought I'd tell you a little bit about what we did today. So we started off this morning, bright and early at 10 o'clock, and I introduced people to the world of wine. So we talked about why wines taste differently, given that they're all made from different grape varieties. So we talked about things like soil, climate, grape growing, winemaking, all of the different influences and style. Then I told people about different grape varieties, what to expect from Sauvignon, Chardonnay, Riesling, Cabernet Sauvignon. We did a Shiraz, but somebody's taken that away because it was quite nice, and Pinot Noir. I then, at about 12 o'clock, introduced people to different tasting techniques. So the tasting technique that we use here is the WSET Systematic Approach to Tasting, which teaches people to objectively identify good quality wines as opposed to not so good wines. So that was really good fun. It worked up a great appetite, so we went downstairs for lunch, which is included in our day. Afterwards then, I picked up on all the questions that had been asked earlier in the morning, and we had a sort of, frequently asked questions session. And people generally start by saying, oh, I've got a question. It probably sounds really silly, but to be honest with you, everybody's question thinks that it's silly, but everybody wants to know the answers to the same question. So I always say there's no such thing as a silly question. So we had a good session on that. We had a look at food and wine matching, what are the tips and the techniques involved in that. We talked about Reserva wines and what makes those Reserva wines. And then we went into different classic wine regions like Chianti, we did Rioja, we looked at the Bordeaux region, and we also did Burgundy, and we tasted great examples of wines from all of those regions. At the end of the day then we had a quiz, which was really good fun, and people were surprised at how much they'd learned within a day, and they were really quite impressed by that. So we had a great day, as I said, and hopefully you will too. So I look forward to seeing you.